driven the property for about an hour now. Looked at everything from hackberry to hickory to oak, swamp oak, white oak, bur oak. Seen some red mulberry, and I've decided on the hackberry. It's the only piece I've found, a couple of them that are at least 6 feet in length, about 7 foot, and are straight enough without any twists or turns in it or branches, so we'll do it. And we're at 15 degrees or so it's time to get going. Here's the hackberry I chose. Real straight, good length, chainsaw, hackberry, I think as straight as could be. Yeah. That's pretty good. Let's do it. Alright, here she is. Yeah, it's a nice piece. Okay, I'm about to start splitting this hackberry log. Right here, this is the north facing side of the tree, should be the best spot. We're starting half though. Here's a couple of my staves and the one I'm stripping right here, so we'll move on. So we'll show that. Now I'm going to strip off this outer bark, the inner bark, the cambium layer down to this sapwood, the hard stuff right here. See this yellow layer right here? That's the sapwood. Let me show you the draw knife I made. Took an old kitchen knife, took a grinder, ground down the serrations, made it a little dull, clipped a vice grip on it, ready to go. right down to that yellow sapwood right there. Not a very delicate process, but just want to get it off and not dig into it really. See this white? That's the early wood. I'm stripping that off. Hackberry is all sapwood. At least this young of a tree. It's about 15 years old. There's no heartwood in it, so. Got some good staves out of that. The two on the right weren't as good. The two I did later actually look pretty good. Pretty confident. After I dry these out, get some glue on the ends, should be good. I applied wood glue to the ends to seal them. Now I'm applying shellac. Here is all 4 staves. I'm going to store them inside, some for up to a year, and then let one dry out for about a month here, and I'm going to get it down to a basic floor tiller. Here's the end covered in wood glue. I have some knots here and there, a couple of the staves. Okay, well, I'm going to put these away and just have to check back in, make another video, and we'll see how this goes. 4 staves, the possibility of 4 bows.